Welcome to our Learning Adventure Camper. My name is Lady Butters. What's yours? Your name is on my list. Let me check you off. Our camper transforms into any place in the galaxy so that we can learn. Is that Toastie? Our camper clue arrived. It's a mixer.
Are you ready for your learning mission of the day, Miss Lady Butters?
What do you think our learning adventure is today? That's a great guess.
Today you'll be baking a cake. But first, you must know how to be safe in the kitchen. Mission Kitchen Safety Adventure incoming.
We made it to the kitchen. I'll be in charge of the oven and the stove. The oven is going to get very, very hot while we bake our cake.
I'll stay over here. I don't want to get burnt.
Nobody likes a burnt bagel. We can help you make the cake, Lady Butters. But first, we have to make sure we're with a grown-up in the kitchen. We're too small to make food alone. Then we wash our hands.
Yes, before we touch food, we always wash the germs off our hands with soap and water. Everybody, wash your hands and I'll just go grab an egg from the fridge.
Don't forget to close the fridge door.
Good looking out. We don't want the cool air escaping from the fridge.
We don't want the climate changing. If I stand on my toes, I can reach the counter to help.
Be careful. You can't see the counter and you might pull down the bowl and spill it. Oh no. That's okay. We can clean it up together, just as long as it wasn't a hot pan. I don't want you to burn your hand.
I can help too. Be careful, Benny. Don't slip on the egg.
I can help by putting the dirty dishes in the dishwasher.
I can do it. There's knives in the dishwasher and I don't want you to get cut. Ow.
I prefer to stay in one piece. I'll let a grown-up handle the dishwasher from now on.
Okay. I just need to finish mixing this batter and we can put our cake in the oven.
Why don't you use your hands to mix the batter?
I don't want to get germs in the cake batter, so I'm using a spoon.
Ew, I don't like germs in my food.
I don't either. They are not delicious. Will you sing a song with me so we can remember all the rules we just learned about the kitchen?
The kitchen is a grown-up zone. It's no place for us alone. The oven burns, the stove is hot. Keep hands off pans and pots. The kitchen is a grown-up zone. It's no place for us alone. Hands off counters and don't touch. Sharp knives hurt very much. The kitchen is a grown-up zone. It's no place for us alone. Watch out for spills on the floor. And don't climb up on open drawers. The kitchen is a grown-up zone. It's no place for us alone. Do not pull on plugs or cords. And always shut the fridge door. The kitchen is a grown-up zone. It's no place for us alone. Don't reach in bowls or cooking pans. No touching food with our bare hands. The kitchen is a grown-up zone. It's no place for us alone.
Learning mission accomplished. And now we know how to cook safely in the kitchen. And our cake came out perfectly.
It was fun watching you make the cake. That oven was too hot for me to be near.
Now you know how I feel.
Thanks for keeping us safe, Lady Butters. I can't wait to cook food when I grow up.
Maybe you'll be a chef when you grow up. A safe chef. I'm so proud of you. We learned so much about cooking safely in the kitchen today. Thank you so much for joining me on this very important learning mission. Subscribe to join us each week for a new adventure. Bye, campers!